Our top news this week. Atomos Sumo 19 and Sumo 19M HDR monitors are now even more affordable than ever. For a limited time only, you can save up to £346 on the Sumo 19 monitor recorder and £296 on the Sumo 19M. Whether you're in the studio or in the field, the 19-inch Atomos Sumo range makes HDR monitoring not only easy, but very affordable. Atomos are also working hard on the switching functionality update, which is said to be released sometime in April as a free upgrade to all Sumo owners. Panasonic have announced the development of an 8K CMOS sensor with global shutter utilising a new technology called Organic Photoconductive Film, or OPF. The new 36 megapixel organic sensor is said to be capable of 60 frames per second in 8K and even feature an electronic ND filter function. It's not yet known when we can see this sensor in a camera, and this can take a while, but if you want to learn a bit more, check out our blog post in the link below. The new Sony VENICE 6K full-frame cine-auto camera is now shipping, and we are one of the first dealers in the UK to have received the VENICE. Now available for both hire and purchase, we're proud to announce that we are running a free hands-on Sony VENICE workshop on March the 22nd in our Teddington studio with top DOP Richard Blanchard. There is limited space for this event, so we strongly urge you to register via the link below as soon as possible. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.